evening, class. Good evening. Okay, so I want to start off by asking you all a question. This is a desk. I want you to think about how many desks could you fit in a basketball court? Let's take a second to think about it. Alexis?
I think 10.
10? Okay. Ashley, do you have a guess?
I think 200.
Okay, those are both really good guesses. So I'm going to draw out our basketball court. Okay, so each of these squares represents one desk. So when we think about how many desks are within a basketball court, we're thinking about the area of the basketball court. So we can use the desks to determine how much space the basketball court is taking up, okay? And in this case, each desk could be considered 1 unit square, okay? So y'all gonna do a little activity with the geo boards, and we're going to be deepening our understanding of area and unit squares, okay? So let's start off by reviewing some vocabulary. Area. Area can be defined as the number of unit squares within a shape. Okay, so for example, I'm going to draw a hexagon. How many sides does a hexagon have?
6.
6. Well, we are just going to pretend that's a hexagon. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I'm going to try to figure out the area of this hexagon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide it in half like this. I'm going to have 2 unit squares, 1, 2, and then each of these is 1/2 of a unit square. If we had an actual hexagon, it would look more exact. Okay, so how am I going to figure out the area of this? Anyone have any ideas? Alexis?
By counting the units?
Exactly. So we're going to count the units within this shape. So I know I have 1, 2, that's 2. 1/2 and 1/2 make 1 whole, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's 1. And then same thing over here. 1/2, 1/2 equals 1 whole. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So our answer is 4 units squared. Okay, does everyone understand that?
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty, so we're going to get started with our activity. Okay, so with a partner, you are going to be creating at least 2 shapes with an area of 6. So you're going to be modeling different shapes, different ways you can make a shape with an area of 6. 6 units squared. Okay? So, for example, well, hold on, let me get to the rest of the directions. So then after you model it, I want you to draw that shape on a sheet of paper. And then you are going to label the units within each shape. Okay? So for example, if I am modeling a shape whose area is 1 unit squared, and I decide to make it like this, I'm going to label it like this. Can someone tell me why I put those numbers in there? Ashley, why did I put these numbers in here?
Because you split it in half, so that would be 1/2 and 1/2.
Exactly. Okay. So once again, you're gonna create 2 shapes. Area 6. You're gonna draw the shapes on a sheet of paper. You're gonna label the units, okay? And then when you finish with 6, I want you to repeat that activity with 2 shapes whose area equals 12. Okay? Does anyone have any questions? Alrighty, y'all can get started. Oh, Alexis, you have a question?
Yes. So just to make sure, we do 6 units first, and then we do 12 units?
Right. So 6 units squared.
Alrighty, thank you.
All right.
What do you think we should do first?
Okay, so she used a hexagon and she got 4 units. So what's next after a hexagon?
An octagon. Let's see how much an octagon is. Oh, that looks more like a circle. Hold on, I need a tighter rubber band. There we go.
Okay, let's count the sides.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so now maybe we should use like another rubber band to like
Count
split it
each square?
apart. Yeah.
I like how y'all are starting with the squares first to make it easier.
That's 2 squares. Here's another square. Whoa.
Oh, sorry.
Here's another square. Oh no. Okay, that's 3 squares. And then this is a square over
Here's
here.
a square and there's a square.
So that's 4 squares. Five squares. And then half and half.
That's
6
6.
squares. Half and half. 7 squares. How many?
Oh, that's too many. We can only have 6, so we got to try something different. So now we need to remove these.
So we need to
Remove this
make one less.
Yeah, so one less. We need I don't know the name.
Is that? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5. So maybe we need to move this over here. And this over here. I think I just got it.
Oh my
Okay,
gosh,
there's 6.
we did it.
So
Okay,
we need
okay.
to draw the 6. There's 6 right there. 1, 2. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Great job, guys.
Okay, I got the 6.
Okay.
Now we have to make how many?
One more shape
With
with the area of 6. You gotta
oh, we
make
need another one with the
Mhm.
same area?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, I know.
Oh, you do it, you do it.
I know.
Wait, but you're making the same shape.
But it's in a different angle.
Gotta be a different
A
shape.
different shape?
We can't make another rectangle. We have to make another shape.
Okay. Let's think.
How many is that? 6?
6.5.
Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, you're right.
This is hard.
Hold on. Can I help?
Good job.
Wow, that's a funny shape.
Okay,
Let's
so
draw it.
now I have to draw it on my paper.
Yes, ma'am. Remember to label your units, Lexi.
Yes, ma'am.
Good job.
Oh no. I forgot to put squared on mine.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. You can add it.
Let me fix it.
Remember, we always have to tell our units in our answer.
Okay.
Okay, are y'all ready to try 12?
Oh, I don't know. Let's see.
Yes.
I got it. I'm ready. I think we need the big rubber band.
Probably.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Man, I think I did it quicker this time. Can we make another rectangle?
Let's try to make a different shape. And if you really can't figure it out.
I want to make a triangle.
Okay, that's interesting.
Let's see. Let's see.
Hold on.
I'm excited.
All right, let's try. I don't like making a triangle because this is less than a half.
That's going to be tricky.
Okay, let's not do a triangle. Let's do an octagon. How many were in the octagon earlier?
I think it was 8. No.
An octagon has 8 sides.
It has 8 sides, but how many squares?
Okay.
You gotta do them across.
Do we have
Yes, please.
2?
I notice y'all are doing a really good job of making squares. You know why you can't do a rectangle?
Because
Why?
When you're deciding your units, why can't you make a rectangle?
Because sorry.
Alexis.
Because if you did a rectangle, it'd be more than one.
Right. Remember our definition of a unit square? It's a square whose sides have a length of 1. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
1, 1, 1, 1.
Okay, so that's 4. So I need a lot of rubber bands. Uh-oh. So this is going to be another 4. Oops. This one keeps falling. Okay. I think there's too many rubber bands on one thing. Okay.
There you go.
I need a small. All right. So
many
this
have
is
you made so far?
8.
We've made 8 so far, but if we do more, that would be, I need to count.
I just ripped the rubber band.
It's okay. We got more rubber bands.
All right. Okay, I think we can count in our head the rest because we can see which ones we already did.
Yes. We have a good idea.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, okay, that's just going to be one right there. Okay, so that's 8, and then 9, 10, 11, 12. We're going to have too many with the halves. Oh, that's a good idea. Wait, no. Should we take the whole thing off? Let's see what this is. 8, 9, 10. Uh-oh, that's 11. Oh, that's gonna
Wait,
make
no.
That's gonna make another
8,
rectangle.
9, 10, and then 2 halves.
Is 11.
So we need to do this.
But that's gonna make a rectangle. Hold on. It's
Oh,
gonna make.
I'm sorry. We gotta think really hard this time.
Okay,
That's a
I
square.
have an idea. We should just make this come down like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I did it! I don't know what shape that is.
Oh, we have to
but
draw it. We
there's
have to
12
draw it. We have
shapes.
to draw it. Okay.
Okay. So there's 4 squares this way. And then what shape is this? This is a funny shape.
that could be considered a polygon. Does anyone remember what a polygon is?
Well, I don't know, but I know poly means a lot.
A polygon is any two-dimensional shape whose sides are made up of straight lines. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And 2 halves is a 12.
Great job.
12 units squared.
Excellent. Do you think you can do one more?
Oh boy. I don't know. Let's try a big pentagon. I don't know.
How many sides does a pentagon have?
5.
5.
So we can make. Do you think a pentagon's gonna work? I don't think so.
I mean, maybe.
1, 2. Let's take this one off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6 squares plus 2 halves. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Is that right? 1, 2. That's not a pentagon anymore, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Did you do it?
No, I got 13.
Uh-oh.
So I need to just take these and remove the halves.
No way. No way, no way.
Oh no, this is
You
not.
got it.
There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, draw it, draw it.
I'm really good at this, I think.
You are good at it.
So we have 2 on the top. 2. I'm not good at drawing. I didn't have to make any halves this time. That makes it easier. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
High five. Awesome. All right, y'all did such a great job working together. Got all the right answers. Okay, so I want to ask y'all one more question.
Okay.
Okay, so if you see a rectangle, the side length is 3. And this one is 8. How could you find the area of this?
3. So make 3 rectangles. So draw 2 lines across it,
Okay, cross.
and then 7 lines to make 8 down.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So what's our answer?
24 units squared.
Great job, guys. You can start putting up your materials.